Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of basic graph reading. This is an introduction to help you understand how to interpret charts, identify trends, and make sense of data visualizations. These are essential skills for being an informed citizen in today's data-rich world. Why is graph reading so important? Firstly, it enhances your critical thinking. Graph reading empowers you to make informed decisions based on data evidence, rather than just relying on assumptions or gut feelings. Secondly, it boosts your media literacy. Graph reading enables you to identify misleading statistics and biased presentations often found in news and reports. These skills are crucial in a world filled with information. Let's explore some common graph types you will encounter. We'll start with bar charts. Bar charts are excellent for comparing categories and their quantities. Next, we have line graphs, which are perfect for showing trends over a period. Then there are pie charts. Pie charts are used to display parts of a whole, often represented as percentages. Lastly, we have scatter plots, which help show the relationships between two different variables. To effectively read charts, it's important to know the key components. The first key component is the title and labels. These labels identify what the chart represents, including the variables and units being measured. The second key component is axes and scale. These show the measurement units and the ranges of the data being displayed. One of the most important things we can do with graphs is extract trends and patterns. One such trend is an upward trend, which indicates that values are increasing over time. Similarly, a downward trend indicates that values are decreasing over time. As you examine graphs, always be on the lookout for any sharp changes, steady patterns, and seasonal variations in the data. Comparing data points is a fundamental aspect of graph reading. There are different comparison techniques, for example, relative comparison, which allows you to determine if one value is larger or smaller than another. Also, absolute values allow for the calculation of exact numerical differences between data points. Always check the scale and units used in the graph before making any comparisons. Even with a good understanding of graphs, it's important to avoid some common mistakes. First, ignoring the scale can lead to misinterpretations of the data. So always check the axis ranges and units being used. Another mistake is confusing correlation with causation. Just because two variables appear related does not mean one causes the other. As a best practice, always read titles, labels, and legends carefully before attempting to interpret the data presented in the graph. To master the art of graph reading, there's no substitute for practice. Start today by finding charts in news articles, reports, and social media posts, and try to understand what they are conveying. As you practice, build confidence by questioning what you see and verifying the data sources. Your goal should be to become a more informed citizen through improved data literacy. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.